What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video and hopefully with another trade. I'm gonna make a quick analysis so everybody can see, understand what I'm looking for and what am I gonna do in this video. So it's very simple concept, guys. We basically in the age that we've been consolidating, and on the on the London session we literally pushed very crazy up, broke like all this high, previous day high, everything, and then what happened? We very smoothly came back, and with this huge push, we break the London low, Asia low. Literally, we broke all the lows that we had. Right now, what am I gonna expect? That very beautifully pull back. That's what happens right now. Right now we're sitting at the point where here is ICT traders, supply and demand traders, moving average traders, if we're getting this particularly set up. But for the day, we're looking at all this huge push down, that broke this structure and all the structure from today that is being made. Right now the price action very smoothly comes to our point, and if they're gonna break this high, is gonna consider like break of structure, all this stuff. Plus I'm looking for buys in the market, and if the price action will gonna get to this zone, most likely it's gonna pull back, break, retest and move to the upside. Only thing why I like is just because I'm gonna point it up. Here we do have ICT traders. If we do have here ICT traders, most likely they will gonna stop them out. So if I'm seeing like at the end of the move, the huge push down with this imbalance and how people calling, this is a good sign that most likely people will hit this high, because this is a huge candle up and then huge candles down. Here is just one, but here is multiple, plus here is the fair value gap or imbalance, how they call. So right now I'm just gonna wait for the price action to give more buying pressure in the market. Once he gets here, I'm gonna buy and move to the upside. That's my plan. That's what I'm expecting to do today. If the price action will come here, I'm gonna take it. If no, then it is what it is. We're gonna move forward for the next day. Stay tuned. Guys, I'm glad to say that we are officially in the trade. How I said, the price action beautifully came to our zone, break this high, and even this high. Hopefully it's gonna take even this high. But anyway, right now the price action did get to our point, so I officially in the trade. Right now the price action gonna start to pull back, because here is kind of consolidating, so most likely a lot of traders will gonna start selling on these zones. So that's what I'm expecting right now, maybe to give them a little bit of pullback and then to move up. If the price action, let me just get, if the price action will gonna get back to, it could get back to this zone to retest, but basically my stop loss is sitting somewhere around here. Let me just see, something like that. So right now the price action is sitting something around here, and I'm gonna try to get those highs. It's 187. It's pretty decent trade. If the price action will gonna hit my stop loss, obviously I'm gonna take another trade, guys. I'm gonna take that, I'm gonna put my stop beneath, and I'm gonna take the same highs. I do hope the second trade it won't be activated and we're gonna make it from first trade, because that's why I like to take as many losses. But the trading is nothing what we can predict, and is nothing what we can know about it. Only thing what we can have is just an edge and try to make logic behind it and take the trade. So we will see how everything is gonna end up, because the way I'm gonna delete that. So how we seeing here, the price action beautifully came here, tagged into our zone, and right now gives you a rejection. So most likely right now, as usual, we're gonna expect right now a pullback. So I'm good with that. I'm good with everything, because sometimes it could be very strong move and they won't even fill this zone and just gonna move straight up. So then you can stay without load. Without trade. So we will see. Just if you like this content, feel free to like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, stay tuned for the updates, because it's gonna be an interesting one. Comment down below what you think. Am I gonna win on this trade, or am I gonna lose on this trade? I really wanna know, will you guys want me to have more winners or more losers? Because a lot of traders, they do want me to lose us because it feels good for other traders. But yeah, it is what it is. Stay tuned. Guys, we doing good for now. We doing very good. Look at this huge candle. That's why I was talking about it could go very fast. We do have this trade, this high to take off, and then we do gonna have this trade to take off. Sorry, this high to take off, only because you know, here is beautiful ICT traders we're gonna see up here. So we will see how this price action will develop, because right now the price action might gonna pull back and then move up. It could happen like that, so we will see. We will see, guys. There's nothing here to predict, there's nothing here to know about where the market is gonna go. Only thing what we could have is just anticipation and stay calm. Like, comment if you do have any questions, and stay tuned. Yeah, guys, so right now I just got to the point where I just wanna, you know, without any pullbacks, just to move straight to the profit. That would be very beautifully in the next couple of minutes. I would love to see that, guys, don't you think? But anyway, guys, I'm not sure if a lot of people can see this video, but who gets to those points, please, guys, hit the like button. And obviously, if you want, you can subscribe. If not, no, then you can do whatever you want. But I'm doing this actually for you, not for me, so enjoy it. Yeah, guys, so we are almost there. We are almost at the TP, but the thing is, because it kind of started rejecting right here, if you see it. And I do really hope that the price action will gonna eventually hit our TP, because it's got like just a small push to do, and I think I might gonna just close it right now. Oh my gosh, look at this. Let me just take it. Yeah, guys, so we didn't wait for the price action to take our, we took 1.72. It's not bad, it's not bad. This stuff what I'm doing right now is called when you're just staring at the charts, you see, because the price action is floating at the TP level, and you just like, oh my gosh, you start panicking, like if the price action, because basically from here the price action could literally just come back and hit our stop loss or something like that. So I rather just taking profits, because one time I had like the opportunity to take profits like that, and eventually I lost my trade. So better to take a little bit low than supposed to be the target hit, but it's good, it's good. So you was live when I close it, and it is what it is, man. If you want, you can judge me, but that's how I trade, that's how I feel. And if there is a chance that we are so close to our TP, I rather just taking profits like 2-3 pips below the TP TP before the TP. So yeah, today was like very beautiful trade, 2 days in a row. Right now I'm seeing here the pullback, which it is what it is. I'm most likely saying the price action will gonna hit our TP, I would say, but I just don't want to risk. Why? Without a couple of dollars I won't get a pura, or it won't pass me the FTMO challenge. So my first thing is to get out of drawdown, because I'm minus 4% down. I was on almost 7, so I'm back to minus 4, which is not that bad. So yeah, guys, if you do like this content, feel free to like, comment. If you do have any question, you can feel free to leave it down below, and see you on my next one. Peace and love. I'm out.